Autodesk have very cleverly organized all of our tools in a series of tabs and ribbons. So we have a series of tabs along the top. So within each tab is what is called a ribbon. So this top section here, that is known as a ribbon. And on each one of the ribbons will be a series of panels. So in the architecture tab, within this architecture ribbon, we have our build panel, circulation panel, model panel, room and area, and so on. So all of the tools and so forth have been grouped nice and neatly together in their own specific panels. And again, throughout the course, we're going to go through each one of the tabs and each one of those panels so you can get to grips with each one of the tools. But for the majority of the course, we're going to be sticking with the architecture tab. So everything you see on screen now is what we're going to be building our model with. So within the panels themselves, you'll also notice some of the tools will have a small little arrow beneath it that will reveal additional tools for that specific tool.